that's something that's hard to transition over into. Another aspect that can be difficult is the sense of respect. So you're not going to have a lot of that in CRNA school. No one really owes you any respect as a CRNA student, and they will take that liberty to not show it to you most of the time. As an ICU nurse, you get familiar, especially someone who is like one of the top people on the unit, who's taking the sickest patients, and maybe you're the charge nurse. You're a part of a lot of conversations on, joint practice council committees and things like that on the unit. You are probably feeling pretty confident in your skills and abilities, and people, even the physicians you work with, the intensive care doctors and stuff, they probably respect your thoughts and opinions, and you get into that kind of mindset. And those are typically the people who get into CRNA school. So then you start CRNA school and you suddenly realize, like, no one cares what I think. People actively tell me insulting things, especially in rotations, that I'm like less than or not as smart as I thought I was, or always lacking, and you're always feeling like you're lacking, and you're always kind of lacking, to be fair, in a lot of ways, especially in the first year or two. You're lacking in a lot of ways because it's a whole major role you're taking on that you're not familiar with. But the idea of switching that mindset and that ability to being someone confident in what you can do for the team and the unit, down to someone who is the learner and is not capable of most things and is not getting treated with respect. Most people are not going to really respect you very much, and you're going to get used to that kind of mindset of like, I guess I'm not someone who knows what's going on. And so yeah, that's a hard transition from a ICU nurse who's used to being considered someone relevant on the unit, down to someone who is completely irrelevant and not important, and told that you are, insignificant. And you will feel that from multiple different ways, whether it's implied or directly spoken to you, like it will be sometimes. You will feel insignificant and you will feel like a loser. And so that's hard.